This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Georgene Srsen. Your private retreat. Exceptional hunting and recreational paradise. Not enrolled in any programs. Build your dream home or camp on this rolling wooded 15.30-acre parcel. This versatile property has mature mixed tree growth and is truly a dream come true for the avid hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. It is located in the area of several lakes and offers easy access to Highway 39/51. This pristine wooded acreage features numerous areas for building and offers unequaled privacy and seclusion. Quality wooded parcels like this are hard to come by. This is a beatiful parcel-Act fast. For more information, review the details below or contact Georgene Srsen at 715